Alright guys, give you a little bit of a rundown of the leftovers I've had for the last 2 years that I just haven't shot off. This one came from a little fountain assortment. Since I live in Arizona, that's all you get is fountains. But anyways, I got some rockets. Got different kinds of rockets in here. Zip pops. Don't know exactly what brand these are. You can tell I've never even lit any of them off. It's the only gross that I got of it, or the only pack that I do have. Got some leftover Moon Travelers, Whistling Bottle Rockets, some Wolf Packs, Howling. Can't find these anymore. Red Apple used to make them. Comet, or Glittering Comet Bottle Rockets. Haven't even shot any of them. Unopened pack. Some large Texas Pops. Got some Night Stalker. These are pretty good. I shot off a pack of these. These are pretty fun. Wild Geese. These are okay. Nothing special. No, I've never shot these off. Might do it this year. Alright. That was just rockets. I got some more over here. Magic crystals. These are cool. I call these neighbor haters. That's a roll of cutting edge firecrackers. Got a igniting system. Some E-matches. Random bag of firecrackers that I've had for these are probably like 6-7 years old. These are yeah, fun. Got a little sleeve of some firecrackers. Oh, what's next? Silver Salute. Sumo Snaps. Those things are pretty tight. Some 100 strips. Sorry, I'm going pretty fast. Don't want to keep this video too long. There's some different firecrackers. Figured I'd try out a few different kinds. Anyways, some Sumo Snaps. And the last one. Alright. I still have another whole tub. Just random stuff from over the years, guys. Nothing spectacular. Some sunflowers. What's this? Antique Plains. mini bees. Random tube for my ball shells. And here are the ball shells. It's got some morning glories. Wife loves them. Some neon. Alright, bag of randoms. Got some speed balls. Looks like some smoke balls. Oh look, some more jumping jacks. What are these? 10-ball Blue Thunder. Haven't shot any of these off yet. Cherry on Top by Brothers. There's the performance. Let's see. Brothers again. Whiplash. There's some bag of ground balloons. It's 4 geisha shells. More geisha shells. Oh, wait, there's another bag of geisha shells. Been saving these, and I don't know why I've been saving these Excals. Probably because it's the last paper tops. Calavera shells, 6-inch. These bang. Another bag. Got some Alien Whistling Busters. These are pretty good. Alien Mistress. Trying to find the performance. Here we go. All right. All right, more ground balloons by TNT. Got some crackling salutes by TNT. Another one. Night Spy. I cannot find these anymore. These are badass. Man, you can't see it through the package. Silver strobe to red spy to 3-color changing spinner. Those are badass. Got a couple packs of miniature ball shells by Alien. There's the second one. Funky Fish by Canon. Couple of Color Pearl flowers by Alien. Smoke Dragon by Wenda. Three Bling Bling. One Irish Legend. And of course, last but not least, Neon Sparklers. Alright guys, that's what I'm going to be playing with this year. A whole mess of fireworks, leftovers. Hope you all have a safe 4th. See you next time.